Hello all, welcome to SurveyPod tutorial playlist. This playlist deals with the smart features. In this video, we will see how to import the points. Open the SurveyPod app. Now, enter the project. You can see the base map along with your position. Now, click on the side arrow and click on the Import Point option. Here, you can either import a CSV file or if you know the coordinates, you can manually type the coordinates. If you have UTM coordinates in your file, then check this box. Also, you have to mention the zone number and letter. I am importing a CSV file which has my coordinates. The vertical references can be changed from here. I upload the file. Once I upload the file here, you can see the points in the base map. With this, we come to the end of the video. I hope now you understood how to import the points inside SurveyPod app. And thank you for watching the video.